Yeah, guys, representing JA, taking in the Bob Marley movie, me and wife Vic. Thank you, Keisha. Let's see, there's some family here. That's the Choti. Yeah. Let's go, guys.
What's up?
Yeah, man, for real, man. Check. Yeah, guys, we're in the cinema in Dallas, Texas. Yeah. This is the Column family. Yeah.
Stripped.
Yeah, guys, see the whole Column family here.
I was looking at it. She was
Okay, guys, so these birds, see those birds? Yeah, man, birds, they migrate to Jamaica. Yeah, man, famous bird, you know? Yeah, guys, so, yeah, man, we're here in Dallas, Texas, me and the family. Yeah, man, we come to check out the Bob Marley movie, you know? Yeah, man. Hey, let's go out there. Yeah, guys.
What do you need me?
Maria Menounos, and I am super excited to make your movie experience even better with exclusive content and originals, games, and endless movie trivia. So sit back, relax, and dig into your snacks. Movie starts now. If you want a daily dose of exclusive content, movie reviews, and fresh takes, follow us at What's Newbie on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. It's essential to movie-going friends, just like trying not to finish your candy before the movie starts. I saw you.
You really sound like Keisha. Yeah, guys, so we are in the theater now, and we are very early. Yeah.
Sorry, guys.
Alright, thanks, man.
This one.